Hi.
Again, congrats sa success ng AOTV.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
so since first lead mo tong project na to, ano yung mga learnings mo after matapos tong series? Work-wise, personal-wise, ano mga naging learnings mo?
Well, unang-una hindi biro maging bida. Mahirap talaga siya na role and mahirap siya na task talaga. So, patience talaga yung unang natutunan dito eh. Because I waited 6 years for this opportunity to arrive sa buhay ko, no? And then, nung dumating na talaga siya, it's a matter of how badly do you want this and ano yung ginagawa mo para maibigay mo yung best mo sa trabaho mo. So it's really a matter of hard work, patience, and yeah, time management din. Kasi at the same time, nag-workshop kami, may mga promos kami, so minsan wala na kaming pahinga, kulang kami sa tulog, pero yeah, we love what we do and I think that's the most important thing then.
So how do you see yourself mga 5 years from now? Anong klase yung mga genre yung ginagawa mo?
Well, 5 years from now, hopefully a versatile leading man. Ako naman kasi, kaya ako naging artista, gusto kong maging artista kasi I want to entertain people. Gusto ko silang matuwa sa akin na pinapanood ako. And parang, it's like an escape from reality. When you're watching something and you're idolizing someone. Kasi ako, I'm a fan of myself of some shows. So, it's really, me, I just really want to entertain people at the end of the day. Yun lang.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.